So students, today we will be starting a new chapter, okay? Chapter third, which is noun. So when we hear of noun, what is the first thing that comes to our mind? That is, what is noun? It is the first question which comes to our mind when we hear about noun. In Hindi, we call it sangya. So let's define it in English. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, like any human being. Every student who is sitting in this class, anyone's name, any teacher's name, any person's name will be noun. The second is any place name, where you are studying, where you are worshipping, or any place name where you are going, like where we live. We live in Gaya, so Gaya is also noun. Bihar is also noun. The place, any place names is also noun. And the third is any animal's name, any living animal that we see on road, or any pet's name, any wild animals. All the animals that we see is their name is also noun. And the last is anything, any non-living things like books, benches, everything that we see is noun. So what is noun? What did we understand by this? We understand that any name in the whole world, if there is any name, then it will be referred to as noun. Now there are some examples like Ram, it is the name of the person. Then second is Patna, okay, it is the capital of Bihar. Bihar, Patna, Gaya, everything is noun. It is here I have already written place. And the third is cow. What is cow? Cow is an animal and it is also a noun. Fourth is book. Book is the name of a thing. Any living thing or any non-living thing. Everything's name is referred to as noun. Okay. Now we are going to study the types of noun. So in class third we will be studying about three main types of noun. Okay. The first one is proper noun. Second one is collective noun. And the third one is common noun. Okay. So these are the main three types of noun that we are going to study today. The first one is proper noun. The name itself explains about what it really means. Proper means proper place, proper animal, proper human being. The name of a specific person, specific place, or specific any location is known as proper noun. Like Ram. It is the name of only one person, one special person whom I am addressing to. It is noun. Second is any place noun. Any place like Delhi. It is a specific place, like there is only one Delhi, not in the whole world there is just one Delhi. So it is a special place, so it is also known as proper noun. Any the name of any animal, like suppose you have a pet and you have named it like Coco or something, then your dog's name, suppose you have a dog and its name is Coco, so that's name, it is also referred to as proper noun. Okay. So proper noun is name of any specific person, place or thing which is referred to just one person, one place, one unique place. And the second is collective noun. Collective means group. Collective refers to group, like a group of animals, group of humans, group of musicians, everything which includes a group, more than one people. Like this, one group is like collection of more than one people. So if more than one people are at a place, we call it group. So group of anything, like if there is a group of grapes, then we call it bunches of grapes. So that the bunches of group of grapes, we call it bunches of grapes. So that bunches is collective noun. Okay. Or herd, group of cows is called herd. Like if there are many cows at one place, then we simply call it herd. So herd is also a collective noun. Okay. And the last one is common noun. Common also you can like simply understand common things. Any common, like I have written cow. Now where is here is I have written cow. Now it doesn't. There is no just one cow in the whole world, or it is not the name of one cow. If I say cow, then all the cow of this whole world will be addressed to. So anything, if I explain it to a common person, a common